See how you can enrich any company's LinkedIn information in seconds. This demo highlights how LinkFinder AI simplifies accessing detailed company data quickly and efficiently. Click the first link in this video to go to linkfinderai.com. You're going to be able to create a free account on linkfinderai.com. Create a free account on LinkFinder AI to begin using the platform. Select the input data types such as company name, domain, email address, or LinkedIn company URL. Fill in the input data type field with the appropriate selection. Click to select the output data type, including company website, phone number, LinkedIn URL, or email. Fill in the output data type field with your desired data selection. Click the field to enter the company name for enrichment. Enter the company name, for example, Apple, to begin enrichment. Click the Enrich Data button to start the enrichment process. Click the LinkedIn company page link for Apple to view detailed information. Select the input data type again to specify the next enrichment criteria. Fill in the input data type field with the new selection for enrichment. Click to select additional output types, such as LinkedIn profile data or employee count. Fill in the output type field with the selected additional data options. Click the field to enter the LinkedIn company URL for enrichment. Enter the LinkedIn company URL, for example, https://www.linkedin.com/company/apple. Click Enrich Data to begin scraping information from the LinkedIn company page. Click the Company Overview section showing Apple as a public company based in Cupertino, U.S., founded in 1976. Select the input data type again to prepare for bulk enrichment. Fill in the input data type field for bulk processing. Click to select output types such as company website, phone number, LinkedIn URL, or email for bulk enrichment. Fill in the output type field with your bulk data preferences. Click the Upload CSV button to import bulk company data for enrichment. Click Select File to choose your CSV file containing company names. Click Process 1000 items to start bulk data enrichment. Click Export to download your enriched data results. Select the input data type again to prepare for exporting specific data. Fill in the input data type field for export purposes. Click to select output types such as LinkedIn profile data or employee count for export. Fill in the output type field with your export data preferences. Click the CSV with LinkedIn company URL option to specify your file format for bulk processing. Click Process 7 items to start enrichment for the selected companies. Click Process 7 items again to confirm and continue the enrichment process. Click Export to download the final enriched dataset. Click API Access to explore integration options with LinkFinder AI. Click View API Docs to access detailed API usage instructions. Click Company Enrichment to see API calls related to company data enrichment. Click Post to view the HTTP method used for data enrichment API calls. Click the curl command example showing how to use the API to convert company names to LinkedIn URLs. Click B2B Data Lookup to explore additional API data retrieval options. Click the description to learn how to extract detailed company data from LinkedIn URLs using the API. Click the curl command example for retrieving LinkedIn company information via API.